Example 2 here. How does the diagram shown illustrate one or more of the postulates? Well, we've got our postulates. You already wrote them down a couple slides ago. And let's just go through them here. The first postulate says through any 2 points there is exactly one line. Well, I have point B and point A. There's a line here. So we can say, first of all, I can say that part postulates is postulate 5. Okay, the second postulate, that's the only one that shows a line going through 2 points. You could say that's also postulate 6. A line contains at least 2 points. Well, that's also postulate 5 and 6 then are with that line that we drew, line AB. So for line AB, we can use those 2 postulates. Okay, postulate 7 says if 2 lines intersect, their intersection is exactly 1 point. So let me, we'll erase this off. And if we go, here's a line M. There's only that lowercase m, and then line N, or line AB. So that looks like postulate 7. So line M and line N gives us postulate 7, where they cross there at point A. That's where they cross there at point A. Okay, postulate 8, through any 3 non-collinear points there exists exactly 1 plane. Well, let's get rid of some of the stuff that we had on there. Whoops. Postulate 7, I didn't want to get rid of that. I want to get rid of those. So I need 3 non-collinear points. Okay, 3 points that aren't on the same line. Well, I've got point C, point A, and point B, and they're not lining up as they make like a triangle. So that means they must be on this plane here. Okay, so we've got that one there. So that would be postulate 8 uses plane P, and the points A, B, and C. Okay, now postulate line, a plane contains 3 non-collinear points. Well, that would be 8 and 9. Get you the same thing there. Here's our plane, and then we found there's 3 points that are on the same plane. I'm going to erase some of that stuff there because we're on to the next. We're going to check postulate 10 now. Postulate 10 says if 2 points lie in a plane, then the line containing them lies in the plane. Well, that would be demonstrated here in postulate 10. We've got that because here's 2 points. There's the line AB, or you could call it line N. That means that line is also sitting in this flat plane. So that's postulate 10. So we could say we're using line N with points A and B because they're in plane P. And then if 2 planes intersect, their intersection is a line. That's postulate 11, and that's also here. So I'll do a different color here. Here's a plane Q, and we already have plane P right here, and they cross right here. So that would be postulate 11, where plane Q and P intersect, and you get line M. Remember, when you're going to write it this way, you're going to write lowercase. So I basically got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All of them were demonstrated with this picture in some form.